Hamster Kombat mini Genki puzzle. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. Move the red candle upward, the grey candle to the right, the grey candle at the top to the left, the red candle upward, the grey candle to the left, the red candle downward, the key to the middle, the red candle downward, the grey candle to the left, the key to the left, the red candle upward, the grey candle to the left, the red candle downward, the grey candle to the right, the red candle upward, the key and the grey candle to the middle, the red candle upward, the grey candle to the left, the red candle downward, then you slide the key, boom. Then you get it. Watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. Do well to subscribe, like the video, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel where you'll be getting updates on how to earn and the forthcoming airdrop that will take place in the month of September this month. So make sure you join our Telegram channel to get more updates on how to make money.